The threat protection factor, or TPF, is part of what makes Boardish unique. It's our way of measuring the connection between the threat and solution and where the real quantification happens. The TPF is where we quantify how effective a solution is against a particular threat, and we do this in two separate environments, on-prem and in the cloud, because what works on-prem doesn't necessarily work in the cloud or vice versa. To start, you'll need to allocate at least one solution to each threat that you want to include. The solutions already available in Boardish will populate with our default percentages, but these may not necessarily suit your organisation or environment, so you can tweak these and adjust based on your own experience or expertise. Remember, you're adding a percentage figure of how effective the solution is at mitigating the threat. For example, to mitigate our hospitality business against ransomware, we could deploy Acronis anti-ransomware. As it's mainly a solution for on-prem rather than in the cloud, its effectiveness is 90% on-prem, but only 50% in the cloud. You can also set up multiple solutions to the same threat by simply clicking on the blue plus button and selecting from the drop-down menu. As you can see here, we've also included Microsoft Azure, which works effectively in both environments based on our experience. Note that it's unlikely that you'll get a solution that is 100% effective against mitigating risks, as there is always some level of risk, and Boardish aims to help you capture the worst case possible. If you're still unsure what to add, use 50% as a good benchmark to use instead, and when you're done, click Save and Next. If you get stuck on any of the TPF sections or you aren't sure which percentages to put, add a question in our Facebook community or contact us via email and we can help.